So you want to sell your home, but it has a lot of repairs. What are you going to do? Owning a home for many years often means living with its gradual wear and tear. Roofs age, systems become outdated, and small issues accumulate into larger repair needs. For many seniors, the idea of investing more time, money, and energy into fixing up a home before selling it can feel extremely overwhelming. The good news is that selling a home in need of repairs is not only possible, but increasingly common. The first step is to recognize that you are not alone. Many older homes require updates, and there's a broad range of buyers looking for properties they can improve. Real estate investors and contractors are often willing to purchase homes as is. This means homeowners do not need to feel pressured to make costly upgrades to just attract buyers' interest. It is helpful to clearly understand the property's condition. Having a general sense of major issues like roofing or plumbing helps set realistic expectations. This knowledge allows sellers to price the home appropriately, reducing the likelihood of surprises or renegotiations later. Pricing is a critical factor. Buyers will factor in the cost of improvements whenever they're making an offer. So rather than pricing the home as if it were fully updated, position it competitively based on its current condition. A well-priced property can generate strong interest, sometimes even multiple offers, yes, even in today's market of higher interest rates, and despite maybe even needing a little bit of work. For seniors who prefer simplicity, selling the home as is often the most appealing option. This means the seller does not commit to making repairs before closing. This approach reduces stress and eliminates the need to coordinate contractors or manage timelines. There are several pathways to selling an as-is home. Listing it on the open market can expose the home to a wide range of audience members, potentially resulting in a higher sale price. Another option is selling directly to a cash buyer or investor. These buyers can often close quickly, sometimes in a matter of weeks or days. This route is appealing for those who want to avoid uncertainty, minimize disruptions, and move on without delay. Preparing the home does not mean major renovations. Small, manageable steps can make a positive difference. Basic cleaning, removing clutter, and improving lighting help the home show better without any significant investment. But it's still important not to overextend yourself. Large-scale repairs may not provide a full return on investment. Emotional considerations also play a huge role in selling your home. Seeing a home in disrepair can be discouraging, but the home's value is not diminished by its current condition. Instead, it becomes an opportunity for someone else willing to bring new life into this space. Letting go of the responsibility for repairs can be freeing, both mentally and emotionally, for anyone. Maintaining an older home can be physically demanding and financially draining. By choosing not to invest further, homeowners can redirect their resources toward their next stage of life. Ultimately, the decision to sell without making repairs is a practical and valid choice. It reflects a recognition of personal priorities and willingness to focus on what matters most at this stage of your life. A home that needs repairs is not a problem to be solved. It is simply a property at a different stage of its life cycle. For the seller, it represents a chance to simplify, to let go of ongoing responsibilities, and to step into a new chapter with greater ease.